Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to execute, how to type programs by using online compiler in Python language. Nowadays, Python language having a large scope and it's very easy to execute the program by using any device. Just you need to go google.com and here type Python online compiler. Just click Python online compiler. See, here is a different link for the online compiler. You can go with any link. Now I am using this first one, programming.com. Just click here. So here you will get the Python language compiler. This is online compiler provided by programming. And here is a simple statement. See, print hello. See, this area is for your program and this for your output. Okay, we need to type the program in this left side and you will get the output in right side by clicking on a run option. So here is a by default one line. So just click on a run. So you will get the output hello world. Okay, see, here is a statement print hello world. So you will get the output hello world. You can type the more statement in this. So here is print. This is simple and first program. You can write the text here and after this just click on a run to run this program. So see, here you will get the output. This is a simple and first program. See, if you want to display the some value, suppose a equals to 10. How to display this value? So print a. How to use this numeric data in Python programming? A equals to 10 and print a. Just click on a run. So you will get the output. This is a simple and first program and then 10. Here no need to give the data type when you are declaring a equals to 10. Okay, so print a. No need to give the semicolon after this. When you are printing the data, no need to provide the any format specifier. Just write print a. See, suppose this a means the age. Here we will try to do one program. If the persons or users entered age is greater than 18, then he is eligible to vote. If the age less than 18, it is he or she is not eligible to vote. So how to do this program? See, suppose age equals to 10. Or if you want to take the data from the user, how to do this? See, here we will write age equals to int because we need a data from the user in integer format. So int and then to accept the data we will use the function input. Age equals to int in bracket input and here write the data. Enter the age. Enter the age. Okay, you can write the just simple enter the age. So and this age will store inside the age variable, this age variable. And then after this, here we will check this age is greater than 18 or not, greater than equals to 18 or not. If, so we will use the condition if because we know that we are using the if statement for decision. If age is greater than equals to 18. Okay, here is your condition. If age is greater than equals to 18, in Python programming, you need to give the colon here. This is not in other programming languages, but in Python, it is necessary. It is a part of the syntax to do the colon. See, after that, see, automatically it will take the indent. Means, see, indent means the space from here to here. Okay, automatically it will take the indent. If you are using the command line interpreter, you need to provide the space. When you are using the notepad, you need to provide the space. Otherwise, it will give you a error of indentation. Okay, so here, if the age is greater than equals to 18, print yes, you can vote. Just you need to write the you can vote. Okay. And if you want to remove the any particular line or statement from your program, just write the give the hash. Okay, just give the hash. So now this is work as a comment. Okay, now this is a comment. Just click on a run to run this program. See, hello world. This is a simple and first program. Then enter the age. Suppose the age is 26. Just press the enter. So here you will get the output. Yes, you can vote. Okay, because if the condition is true, then only it will give you this part. Yes, you can vote. Again, we will check this program. Just click on a run. For the other input, we will check. If the input is just a 7, okay, the age is 7. So after that, click enter. So there is no any output because see, check the program at the line number 6. If age is greater than equals to 18, if the age is greater than 18, then only it will go for the second one, this print statement. If not, then it will not give you any output after this line. So see, after this we will check here. I write here else. I want this condition. So for else also you need to do the colon else. Then print if the age is not greater than equals to 18, then here we will write no. You are not eligible. So you are not eligible. We will write the here. No, you are not eligible. So we will check this program. Just click on run again. See, these are the two bytecode segments. See, here we have written this line number 3, line number 4. This is output for the line number 3 and 4. Now, see here, for in line number 5, here is a enter the age. So here we will accept the age from the user. Suppose age is 56. See, this is your data. Press the enter. So here, this 56 will be here. Okay, see 56. This age is greater than this is no, here is some error. We will check again. We will click on a run and we will check this. Age is 45. Press enter. Yes, you can vote. Again we will check. Click on a run. If age is 3, just press the enter. Enter the age greater than equals to 33. See, we will check again. Just click on a run. Sometimes this online compiler gives you some suggestions and some errors also. Okay, see, enter the age 3. Then no, you are not eligible. Okay, this is your correct output. Okay, so when you are running this program online, you need to keep patience because it takes some seconds, times in seconds. So you need to wait for the output. Okay. So again we will check one more time. Enter the age. Suppose this age is 34. Just press the enter. Yes, you can vote. Okay. So in this way you can check for the different inputs and it's very easy to execute the programs online by using the online compiler. You can use any online compiler and you can execute the Python language program or you can use the command line interpreter. Just click on start and then in search box type the Python. You can go with your Python 3.9 or any version of your Python and here you can type your program print. Suppose if you want to print some data or some message here, then you can print this data here and press the enter. So you will get the output. Or one more way is to execute the program. You can save this program in your folders. See, like this only. You can create one folder and in that you can type your programs like this. Suppose this is your program. See, you can type your program and save this program as save as. Just click here. Select the type all files. Here is a hello. Suppose this is file hello13 and just click on a save. This is your program now. Close this program. Just click here and just type the CMD here. Okay, just type the CMD. So you will get this type of path. And here you can do your program name Python, your file name .py, and you can simply run the program in this folder only. So these are the three different ways to execute the Python program. But the best way is you can use the online compiler, and you can go with this online compiler and you can execute the program from mobile phone. Thank you. If you have any query, please write it in the comment box. I will try to solve all the queries. Thank you very much.